Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to my Pecha Kucha presentation video. First thing first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tansia Beatrice Putri Viola. Everybody calls me Viola and I'm from Kediri. Okay, today I'm going to present a topic of banking. Have you guys know what is banking? Okay, banking is an activity related to financial services performed by banks. Banks provide a range of services such as money saving, lending, funds transfer, credit and debit card issuance, and investment. The main purpose of banking is to facilitate the flow of money in the economy and provide liquidity that will be supporting the economic activities of the community. Banks also play a role in maintaining financial system stability through regulation and supervision. Okay, in this slide, we'll talk about the function of the bank. Banks have several functions. The first function is accepting deposit. Banks that accept money from customers in the form of savings, deposits, and checking accounts. The second is providing loans. Banks provide loans to individuals and business for various purposes, such as buying a house, business capital, and other. And then investment management. The bank also offers investment and wealth management services to help customers manage and grow their assets. Okay, then we talk about the role of banks. Banking has a very important role in a country's economy. Among them, financial intermediation is banks act as intermediaries between savers like individuals and businesses who have excess funds, and borrowers like individuals and businesses who need funds. Next is supporting economic growth. By providing credit to individuals and businesses, banks help encourage economic growth. This credit can be used for various productive purposes such as starting or developing a business, buying a house, or paying for education. Next is infrastructure development. Through financing large projects such as construction of roads, bridges, and other public facilities, banks assist in the development of infrastructure that is important for long-term economic growth. Then, types of banks. There are various kinds of banks. The first one is central banks. A central bank is a national financial institution that manages the monetary policy of a country or group of countries and oversees its currency and banking system. And then the second is commercial banks. A commercial bank is a financial institution that provides a range of services to individuals, business, and governments. These services include accepting deposit, providing business and personal loans, offering saving and checking accounts, and facilitating the payment processing. Next is Islamic banks. An Islamic bank is a financial institution that operates in accordance with the principle of Islamic law, or we call Sharia. These banks adhere to specific ethical guidelines and prohibition outlined in Sharia, which significantly shape their operations and financial products. The last one is People's Credit Banks. People's Credit Banks, commonly referred to as BPR in Indonesia, are specialized financial institutions that focus on serving the credit needs of small-scale enterprises and individuals, particularly in rural and semi-urban areas. Debit card. A debit card is a payment card that allows the cardholder to access funds directly from their bank accounts to pay for goods and services or withdraw cash from ATMs. Debit card can be used to pay for purchases at retail stores, online merchants, restaurants, and other businesses that accept card payments. Benefit of debit card is convenience, which is debit card provide a convenient way to access funds and make purchases without carrying cash. And then no interest charge. Unlike credit cards, there are no interest charge on debit card transaction because the money comes directly from the cardholder's account. Credit card. A credit card is a payment instrument issued by a bank or other financial institution that allows the cardholder to purchase goods and services or withdraw with cash by owing money to the card issuer. Benefits of credit card is credit history building, emergency facilities, promotions and discounts. Savings. Savings refer to money that individuals set aside from their disposable income for future use rather than spending it immediately. Saving money is an important financial habit that helps individuals achieve financial goals, build wealth, and provide a safety net for unforeseen circumstances. Loans. A loan is a sum of money that one party borrows from another, usually a financial institution like a bank or credit union, with the agreement to repay the borrowed amount along with interest over a specific period. Loans can be used for various purposes, such as purchasing a home, financing education, starting or expanding a business, or covering personal expenses. There is some types of loans. First is personal loans, the second is mortgage loans, and then student loans and business loans. And then investment. Investment is the act of allocating resources, usually money, in the hope of generating income or profit. This can include purchasing assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or starting and funding a business venture. The goal of investing is to grow the initial amount of money over time, taking into account the risk and potential returns associated with the investment. Okay, regulation. Bank regulation is the legal framework and guidelines that govern the banking industry to ensure stability, transparency, and fairness. This includes setting standards for capital adequacy, risk management, and consumer protection. Regulatory bodies such as central banks and financial supervisory authorities enforce this regulation to prevent financial crises, protect depositors, and maintain the integrity of the financial system. Examples are the Federal Reserve in the United States, the European Central Bank in the Eurozone, and the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom. Well, it's bring me to the end of my presentation. Hopefully it can be useful for all of you. Thank you for all your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See ya.